In this video, I'm going to show you how I created this modern PowerPoint slide. Let's get started. First, delete the current slide and insert a new blank slide. Now go to the Design tab and click on Format Background. Under Solid Fill, you can change your background color. I'm going to choose a dark pink color from More Colors. Once you've selected the color, click OK. Now go to Insert Shapes and pick the rectangle. Draw the rectangle so it covers the entire slide. Under the Format tab, go to Shape Fill and add a color to the rectangle. I'm going to set mine to a baby pink color. Also, change the shape outline to no outline. Next, go to Insert Shapes and select the curve shape. Let's zoom out a little bit. Now draw a shape like this. Once finished, select both the curved shape and the rectangle by holding the Ctrl key. Then, go to the Format tab and click on Merge Shapes and choose Fragment. Now, let's delete this outside part. Select the curved shape, go to Shape Outline and set it to No Outline. Do the same for the rectangle shape. Now, give both shapes a color from Shape Fill. I'm giving them both a baby pink color. Next, let's drag this curved shape like this. Let's insert our ice cream image. It is better to use a PNG image with no background. As you can see, our ice cream is currently in the front. We need to send the ice cream between these two shapes. To do that, let's bring this part to the front. Click on it, go to the Format tab, and select Bring to Front. Now our ice cream is layered between the two shapes. Let's adjust its size and rotate it like this. Place it wherever you wish. Now let's add the milk splash. Insert a milk PNG and adjust its size. Select it, go to the Format tab, and click on Send Backward. Now place it like this. Let's insert our text. Type your topic and make changes to it to make it look beautiful. Change the font style to a beautiful one. You can also change the text colors. Let's add a short introduction under the title. Make changes to that as you wish. And place the text boxes like this. Now, select this slide and duplicate it by pressing Ctrl+D. Then go back to the first slide. Let's hide the ice cream under the shape. Drag the ice cream and the milk away like this. Now, reposition the curved shape like this. Let's drag our introduction text box out of the slide like this. And bring the title to the middle. Let me zoom in. Now let's add our strawberries, insert the strawberry image. Mine has a background, so I'm going to use Remove Background under the Format tab. Once you have selected the area you want, click on Keep Changes. Now let's resize our strawberry and duplicate it to create more. Place the strawberries around the text and rotate them like this. Let's also add some smaller strawberries, duplicate them to have more, place them around the text, and rotate them to different angles. Once finished, select all the strawberries by holding the Control key and group them by pressing Control+G. Now right-click on that grouped image, go to Format Picture, and under the Effects icon, increase the blur and the distance. Once done, copy this grouped strawberry set. Go to the second slide and paste it there. Let's zoom out. Hold Shift and increase the size of the strawberry group until you can see the slide through the empty space in the middle. Now for the final touch, select the second slide and add the Morph transition. Now, let's see the slideshow. Perfect. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to leave a comment if you managed to create this perfectly.